I'm here to assist you with all your test equipment needs, from multimeters and test weights to patient simulators and x-ray analyzers. If you need guidance or you have any questions, please don't hesitate to write me at jbarber@bcgroupinternational.com.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Better Biomed. You guys travel with a lot of electronics like tablets and computers and stuff? Me, this bag here just absolutely full of electronics, and I don't feel like fishing it out when you go through security checkpoints. So one of the things I've learned over time is that they have regular two-dimensional scanners and they have three-dimensional scanners. The 3D scanners, one of them looks like a jet engine, the other one says Smith's detection, really large on it. And if you get in those lines, you will not have to take things out of your bag. This could speed up your process considerably. And also, every single time that you take things in and out of your bag, you take a chance at losing that stuff or breaking it when you go to try and repack it back in your bag. So, if you travel with a lot of stuff in your bags and you want to take out your large electronics, find these 3D scanners, the jet engine, or the Smith's detection. There might be some other brands that I haven't seen yet, but they're the two most common ones. You see them, try and get in those lines. You'll thank me.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with what you'd like to see in future videos.